Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your EverWebinar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a call to action in your EverWebinar? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a call to action or CTA to your EverWebinar anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing webinars, know that during the webinar, you can set up a call to action for them to purchase or to download a file or maybe take a poll. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your EverWebinar dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my EverWebinar, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to set up a call to action for your webinar, here on the left side, make sure you've clicked on webinar. Once you've done that, you're going to see all the webinars you're currently running. You can see I have these two. So choose the one you want to add a CTA to. So for example, this one right here, and just click on edit. Once you click on edit, you're going to see these blue circles here at the top. And you want to click on this one here called live. It looks like a little play button. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this menu, and you want to look for this line right here, live content. Go ahead and click on the pencil icon. All right, so once you do that, you're going to see this blue button, add event. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this menu. So here are the various call to action or CTA options. So if you want to add a poll, a downloadable file, some sort of announcement, here's your product offer. So if you want them to buy something, live sale announcement, this is basically a pop-up that's going to show that somebody purchased your program, and then a redirect. So maybe an outside link. So for the purpose of this video, let me go ahead and add a CTA for my viewers to download a file. So I'm going to click file sharing. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and name the file, best download file. And I'm going to upload the file right here. Okay, grab the file, it's uploading. All right, now we get to choose when the CTA or call to action is going to appear. So for my webinar, it's only a 3-minute webinar. So I want them to go ahead and watch for 2 minutes at least. And then after that, they're going to see the call to action, 2 minutes for them to download this file. And I'm going to let them know it's only available for 10 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and end this at 2 minutes and 10 seconds. So during that 10-second time frame that we set up right here, they're going to get that CTA or call to action to download this file, because after that, the download link is going to stop. So I'm going to click on save. Okay, but you can see our CTA right here, so they can download that. Now, if you want to add another call to action, you can do that on the same webinar. Just click here, add event, and then go ahead and choose what CTA you want to add in. Once you're done, click on save here on the top right. All right, now our CTA is done. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a call to action to your EverWebinar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.